Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Junaid Ahmad. Today we are going to download and see Velammal digital app. So first step is we have to go to Play Store, then type in search box Velammal digital app. Here you can see Velammal digital app is there. Click on that. I have been already installed, so click on open. After you will install, it will come option open. Click open to that, then it will show like this logo. You have to click next. Others, if you want, you can click skip also. Here you have to put your school mail ID and password. Then you have to log into it. First we are going to put school mail ID. Then password. After putting mail ID and password, just to check that your password is correct or not. Now click on login button. After that it will show allow. For taking your test you have to click on these three dots. After that here you can see view circular, GCR, if you have any doubt, content, view homework. If you want to take your test, we can take test. Or else if ma'am uploaded some test means it will come take Athena. You have to click here. If ma'am uploaded some test, it will show here. My ma'am did not upload, so it did not show. This is way. If you have any doubt, please comment and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you friends. Bye. See you in next video.